The best way to screw your schedule? Get on a diet. Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today it's episode 11 of my signature show, Document with Diamond. Alright, let's watch. I'm currently active on 5 platforms. They are Facebook, LinkedIn a lot, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, obviously, because I'm posting videos, I'm creating videos, and I'm also responding to comments and all of that stuff. WhatsApp, since I don't really know how to use the app, I send out the videos I post to my broadcast list. That's pretty much it. And I also just figured out how to set up a broadcast list, I guess, last week.
After 9 weeks of doing this.
So, once I did what I did in week 8, the experimentception. Once I did that, what happened was, oh my god, everything went crazy because I wasn't able to sleep properly.
I didn't have enough energy.
And
I started over consuming foods.
I was too stressed. So many things happened. My entire schedule got messed up. I took 5 days to post the video that was supposed to be Document with Diamond episode 8. I posted in week 9 and I missed posting one video in week 9. Week 10, it got a little better, and week 11, right now, I'm at 75% energy and capacity. However, I'm really happy because things are going good. I have started walking my boy OG twice a day now, because after week 8, during and after week 8, until starting of this week, until week 11, I was walking only once in the morning for a very short period, and it wasn't good because he used to pee in the balcony, he used to shit in the balcony, and that wasn't nice for him or for me. So now, because my schedule got messed up, everything started getting postponed. Because I'm the kind of person who adapts quickly and easily, I understood what would happen. I course corrected. I did all the stuff I had to do. And once that was done, what I did was, because I was getting too stressed and depressed, I thought, let me start doing something that I love. Because everything started to go haywire. I was working 7 days a week when I was originally working 3 days a week, just to get back on track, just to get back in time. And I'm still late. Today is Sunday, 4:39 p.m. on Sunday, and I'm recording Saturday's video today. So I'm still behind schedule. So I'll try my best and to get it done by tonight. So what happened is, I started playing basketball. I made some new friends, some teenage friends, and I started playing basketball. And basketball is a great form of NEAT. Basketball, and then I played 1.5 hours of basketball every day for about 6 days until yesterday. And yesterday I was too exhausted. I just crashed on the couch and took like some rest for the first time in a week. I realized that this week's episode will be too long if I do it the right way, and it'll postpone and get carried over, and everything will be a vicious cycle of postponing and procrastination. So I don't want to do that. I will make this into, I think, a 2 or 3 part episode. So episode 11, 12 and 13 will be the entire episode actually talking about what happened on episode 8, because I still have one clip that I did not add on week 8's episode. Then I have a couple photos here and there that happened in week 9 about the stuff that happened to me that I had to document. I didn't have time. I'm going to do that next week. So this week I'm just going to talk about my feels, which I feel great. I feel happy that I'm eating whatever I enjoy, in moderation of course. And I also lost weight again, by the way. Now I have 75% of my usual energy, which is amazing because I usually have 300%. So I'm at 225% energy right now. Oh, by the way, here's me shooting an awesome basket from 3-point. Yeah. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, weight loss, tips and tricks on how to attain sustainable weight loss, and how to maintain that weight loss once you achieve your goal. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! By the way, here's a true story. Dieting can make you lose teeth. And I have my tooth, my fallen comrade, crown guy. I lost this tooth because I went on a freaking diet. Oh my god. I was actually chewing my cheese cube really hard this morning, and because I didn't have time, because my whole schedule is messed up, I wanted to get everything done at once. Because I was chewing it so fast and it was a little frozen, so this was the result. For coaching inquiries, you can call me on my cell phone, send me a text on WhatsApp, or you can send me an email if that's what you prefer, and we'll take it ahead from there. And I'll also put these details down in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one.